In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva design with ChatGPT using the Canva plugin. First, open ChatGPT in your browser so you're starting from the main home screen. We'll make sure everything is connected before we create anything. Look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Apps and Connections. This is where you manage services that work alongside ChatGPT. On the Apps and Connections page, scroll until you find Canva in the list of connected apps. Check that Canva is enabled or connected. You should see a status that clearly indicates it's active. If it isn't, turn it on and follow any on-screen prompts. Once it shows as connected, you're all set. Keeping this connection active is what allows ChatGPT to generate a design for you and hand it off to Canva seamlessly. Now head back to ChatGPT and open a fresh chat. In this new conversation, select the Canva plugin so that ChatGPT knows to use Canva for your request. With the plugin selected, type your prompt clearly. For example, you could say, "Create a social media post in Canva." Adding a bit of detail, like platform, tone, or brand colors, often helps. Think of your prompt as a creative brief, concise but specific. ChatGPT will process your request and generate a Canva design, then provide a link. This link is your bridge to the actual design file in Canva. Click it and you'll land directly in Canva with a pre-built layout based on your prompt. You can open it in the Canva editor right away. From here, customize the design to fit your needs. Update the text, swap fonts, adjust colors, and replace images or graphics. If you have a brand kit in Canva, apply your brand fonts and color palette to keep everything consistent. You can also resize the design for different platforms if needed, fine-tune spacing, and use Canva's alignment guides to keep elements tidy. Don't forget to rename your project in Canva so it's easy to find later. When you're happy with the design, download or share it directly from Canva. Choose the format that fits your use case: PNG or JPG for images, PDF for printables, or MP4 for animated posts. You can also use Canva's share options to collaborate with teammates or publish directly to supported platforms. That's it. You've connected Canva, generated a design through ChatGPT, and customized it to perfection, all in a smooth, guided workflow.